So we are talking about some modals as in that talk about the mood of a person. So two of the modals are can and could. इससे पहले मैं किसी को बताऊं कि ये क्या होता है, I want श्रद्धा, एक सवाल है आपसे.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, may I come in होता है या can I come in होता है?
May I come in?
क्यों can I come in क्यों नहीं होता?
Ma'am, we request ना.
अच्छा, जबरदस्ती भी तो आ सकते हैं, क्यों नहीं आ सकते? नहीं,
जनरली अपन मे आई यूज ही करते हैं.
हाँ क्यों, रीजन पूछ रही हूँ मैं. हम यहाँ पे लॉजिक पे बात करते हैं, ऐसा क्यों होता है? ट्राई करो. हाँ, ओके, कोई और आंसर देना चाहेगा इसी क्वेश्चन का? हम मे आई कम इन क्यों बोलते हैं, कैन आई कम इन क्यों नहीं बोलते? दोनों में फर्क क्या है? इफ एनीवन कैन गिव मी दिस आंसर. अच्छा, ओके. मे इज यस. इसने, श्रद्धा ने सही बताया. मे मतलब वी आर आस्किंग फॉर द परमिशन. ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन वी नीड टू seek permission, we say may I sit down, may I get you some cold drink, may I come inside. So यानी कि I am asking for the permission. कैन क्या होता है? आपकी एबिलिटी, कार्य करने की क्षमता, काम करने की कैपेबिलिटी को बताता है. कैन आई डू दिस वर्क? नो, आई कैन नॉट डू दिस वर्क. कैन आई ऑपरेट माई कंप्यूटर? नो, आई कांट ऑपरेट अ कंप्यूटर. सो एबिलिटी या कोई काम की करने की आपकी पॉसिबिलिटी विल बी डिनोटेड बाय कैन. और कुड, कैन का पास्ट फॉर्म कुड हो जाता है. तो अगर मैं पास्ट की कोई एक्टिविटी बता रही हूँ, आई विल यूज कुड. प्रेजेंट टेंस में आई एम सॉरी, प्रेजेंट टेंस में अगर मैं बात कर रही हूँ, सो दैट मीन्स आई एम यूजिंग कैन. What happens in English? We tend to learn English over the period of time while we speak to others, we get to know, but somehow we forget the rules, or rather we don't even know that what the rules are. So it is important that we focus on the rules as well. Okay, let's move ahead. Yeah. Drishti?
Yes.
If you can read all the sentences one by one.
A squirrel can climb trees. I can play chess. The baby can't walk.
First sentence वापस बोलना दृष्टि.
A squirrel can climb trees.
Okay. A squirrel. गिलहरी होती है ना, that's a squirrel. So if you observe in all these three sentences, what are we telling? We are telling the capability of a person. The squirrel, she can climb a tree. Can we climb easily like squirrels? Not really. We need to try a little fast. That's not our hobby. So maybe we can, maybe we cannot. The baby can't walk. We are showing the disability as well, because the baby is too young. He can just crawl, he can just lie down, but he cannot walk right now. So can is telling you whether we can do something or we cannot. So you can use any verb with can or cannot depending on the situation. Okay, so yeah. So one example is given here. A cheetah can run fast. So now I want Kirit to help me do the second sentence. Using can, what will be the full sentence? Hello, Kirit, can you hear me?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So kangaroos can run high across the grass. Sorry, kangaroos can jump. Sorry.
Okay. Yeah. Correct. Answer is correct, Kirit. However, I'll help you with pronunciation. It's not kangaroos. Kangaroo Hindi में कहते हैं. English में we say kangaroos.
Kangaroos. Okay.
Kangaroos. Yeah, correct. Absolutely. One more sentence, Kirit. Or rather, two more. Two more for you.
Right.
Using can or cannot.
Right. Okay, stand and okay. So humans can't stand underwater.
पक्का? लिव नहीं आएगा?
Sorry?
लिव नहीं आएगा?
Oh, can't live under. Yeah, I put a swim actually. So
Okay,
that's okay. Wrong.
कोई बात
Okay, then that this man can on his hands. I don't know what that can stand on his hands. Okay.
नहीं. Correct. Even the pictures are here to help, just to know what can we do and what can't we do.
Okay. Right. Right.
Okay. Okay, Kirit. Wonderful. Wonderful. ठीक है. So far we have talked the usage of can and could. We have more things. Let's see. How do we match left with the right options? Bushra, if you can help me do this.
Dogs bark and growl. Cats
हाँ, can भी लगा दो Bushra.
and small duck. Okay.
Can or can't, whatever.
Dog-
हाँ.
Dogs can bark and growl. And
Growl.
cats, yeah, growl.
Growl.
Cats can hunt small animals. Snake can hide in the grass.
Okay.
Humans can read and write. Sharks can swim. And
Okay.
monkeys can climb trees.
Monkeys can climb trees. Okay, Bushra, perfect. So majorly you have used can in these sentences. However, we can also apply can't. कहीं भी लगा दो. Snakes can't read and write. Allowed?
Yeah.
Sharks can't climb the trees. Monkeys can't swim. ऐसा. Right?
Okay.
Okay, perfect. ये किसने किया? Blue color. अभी मत करना, ठीक है? Okay. So again, we have more sentences where you need to put can or cannot, but with the correct form of verb which is given here. Ekta, if you can help me, and your daughter can even help you then.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, I see to the cinema with you tonight.
Yes, I can. What?
See to the cinema.
See to the cinema. एकता वापस सोचो. Maybe ये गलत है. I can see to the cinema. थोड़ा सा inappropriate लग रहा है.
Come to the cinema. Come to the.
ठीक है.
I am from Paris. I can speak French, but I can't speak Italian.
Okay. I'm not able to write, but answer is correct. I can't speak Italian. Correct. Third one.
Some cars can run on electricity.
Correct.
I like hotel. I can see the bench. I can see the beach
See the
from my
beach.
window.
Correct. Very good, Ekta. So I know, guys, this is sounding really easy for you. You might feel ये इतना kiddish क्यों कर रहे हैं? Reason यही है जिससे हम logic समझ पाएंगे. अभी logic एक बारी हो जाएगा, तब उम्मीद है कि हम अच्छे से चीजों को आगे समझ सकते हैं. That is the reason we generally pick easy exercises so that it is easy for all the age groups to understand. Because बहुत सारे school वाले बच्चे हैं, so they should also feel some comfort. Okay. Now these are some jumbled sentences. हमको इनको rearrange करना है correct sentence में. बिल्कुल जैसे हम स्कूल में करते थे. It is just similar to that. Okay. Krishnali. Krishnali, are you there? Okay, Shraddha.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Shraddha,
ma'am.
rearrange the sentences.
Okay, ma'am.
18th point से start कर लो. हाँ.
That old man cannot see very well.
Okay. Next.
Ma'am, may I?
हाँ, okay.
Copper can't come to the theater with us on Saturday.
Okay. Theater. पूरा बोलना है theater. Okay. Yeah. श्रद्धा, next आप try करो.
Jacob and Lisa can sky fast.
Correct. It's Jacob.
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 And
Jenna cannot play tennis.
Correct. Drishti, hold on. I'll give you your turn. No problem. I'll give you. Correct, Shraddha. You have actually made the sentences correctly. ठीक है. अभी कुछ और हमारे पास exercises हैं जहां हम can को लगा के with the right subject and verb we have to make the correct sentence and this has to be a question. अभी तक हमने sentences देखे with a full stop. Now we are talking about the question. So it shows, can you help me? That means I'm asking your capability. I'm not seeking your permission. I'm just asking whether you are capable to do something or not. So, Kirat, if you can help me.
Right. So, can I maybe, yeah, okay. Can I paint tonight?
Once again, please. Can I
paint tonight?
Paint tonight. Okay. Next.
Can you read the Spanish?
Okay.
Can he play tomorrow?
All right.
Can she work tonight?
Okay. वापस बोलना इसी sentence को.
Can she work tonight?
Okay. C नहीं है. Kirit, she है.
She, yeah.
She.
She, yeah. Can she work tonight? Right. Okay.
Correct. आगे.
Okay. Can it work? Okay. Can it come? What it could be? Can it come? I don't know. I'm trying to look at with the can eat.
Try. That's okay.
Yeah. Okay. Right. And then can we play tomorrow? Can then cook pizza?
Okay. It's not pizza. It's pizza. Kirit.
Yeah.
Pizza.
Yeah. Pizza.
No.
No.
Pizza. Pizza.
Pizza. No.
Pizza. There has to be a soft T sound somewhere. I'll write in the chat box.
Okay. Pizza.
Pizza. बड़ी ई की मात्रा हिंदी में इमली पढ़ते हो, ईक पढ़ते हो ना? It's just like that.
Pizza. No.
Pizza. It has to be a long pizza.
Pizza.
Quite close.
Pizza. Okay. Pizza.
So,
okay.
Pizza. Pizza नहीं है. किसी को पीटना नहीं है. It has to be pizza. This is the correct form. हम रोज खाते हैं, खुशी से खाते हैं, लेकिन हम pronounce गलत करते हैं. And it's just not one pizza. We have so many words that we mispronounce almost daily. So yes, slowly and gradually, once you come into English, you'll get to know the correct sound and pronunciation of so many words. फिर आपको लगेगा ये तो स्कूल में सिखाया था, ऐसा ही सीखा है. अब वो चेंज होने लगेगा. Don't worry. Okay. Bushra. Bushra, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, so these are jumbled sentences. Rephrase them into the right sentence.
Ursula can come to the cinema this Friday.
Correct.
You can visit with us to the tomorrow.
क्यों नहीं है?
Tomorrow, can you visit with us to the museum?
टुमारो स्टार्ट करने से पहले हम कैन पहले लगा देंगे. कैन यू विजिट द म्यूजियम विद अस टुमारो, लाइक दिस. हमेशा क्वेश्चन के स्टार्ट में ही कैन आएगा, वो अंदर. if this is a question, so can cannot be used inside somewhere the sentence, it will be in the beginning. Okay, next.
Wait a second.
हाँ, okay.
May I?
रुक जाओ उसको ट्राई करने दो.
Can Victoria go camping with us at the weekend?
Correct.
Can I leave early from work today?
Okay, correct. So these are some of the easy things. I know that. It's just that we need to have a little brush up. And of course, in demo class, I cannot take up all the topics. So just one topic I have selected, I'm sorry, for today, so that we can discuss and get to know the things better. Okay, now you have to frame your own questions using the pictures, using the words. Drishti, I want you to do this.
Yes.
Try karo, one by one.
Can you go to the beach?
Okay.
Can you go for hiking?
Hiking, okay.
Hiking. Can you go for skiing?
Okay, skiing nahi, can you go for skiing? Aise.
Okay. Can you borrow his dad's car?
Okay, borrow nahi, borrow.
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 This has to be a bo sound. Borrow.
Borrow.
सीखना. दृष्टि गुजरात से हो क्या?
No, ma'am. Amritsar.
अमृतसर से. ओके जस्ट कैजुअली पूछा. ओके, ठीक है. चलो आगे चलते हैं, कुछ और क्वेश्चंस बनाने हैं. एकता.
Yes.
Make some questions using the pictures and the words.
Can you come to the party?
Okay. एक मिनट. एकता, पार्टी नहीं है, it's party.
Party.
पार्टी. ख साउंड आएगा, र सॉफ्ट हो जाएगा और ट भी सॉफ्ट रहेगा. पार्टी नहीं, पाड़ी.
Okay.
करेक्ट. आगे.
Can you join us at the restaurant?
Can you join us at the restaurant? हम रेस्टोरेंट जो बुलाते हैं वो गलत है. That's restaurant.
Restaurant. Can you take a day off work?
Okay.
Can you borrow some money?
Okay. एक सुजैन रह गई, सॉरी है वो.
Can Susan sleeping? No.
नहीं. यहाँ पे जो गिवन ऑप्शंस है ना, ट्राई कीजिए. एक था उसी सेंटेंस में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट ट्राई टू use the words given here. So I can help you. Suzanne, if you can take a day off for work. Maybe Suzanne is not feeling well. Maybe. Okay, perfect. Ekta, perfect. I hope your daughter is enjoying. She's seeing the pictures.
Yes.
Because अभी उसके काम की यही चीज है ना, to see the pictures, to catch the words, है ना?
Yes.
Okay, I'll give her something easy to read. Okay. If she can just read the sentences.
Read करूँगी.
One by one, हाँ, read करो आप.
You see hi
Peter.
Peter.
ट्राई करो, जितना भी समझ में है बोल दो.
House.
Everything.
Everything
Going.
Going.
चलो ठीक है, अब सेकंड वाला रीड करो.
You.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sir.
Sure.
Sure.
They definitely.
Definitely.
Me.
हाँ.
Come.
What time?
What
Time.
time?
हाँ, चलो कोई बात नहीं. अभी थोड़ा सा आपको सिखा देंगे, जो भी ट्रेनर होंगे आपके, आई एम श्योर अच्छा सिखा देंगे आपको. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. अभी आप मम्मा के साथ बैठ के ना एंजॉय करो, जो भी पिक्चर्स आए, वर्ड्स आए ना, उसको याद करने की कोशिश करना. ठीक है.
Okay.
ओके, वंडरफुल. चलो आगे चलते हैं हम. I'm skipping off some of the slides because I think we can do something good. Okay. अभी मैच करना है. So इसकी टर्न नहीं आई बहुत देर से. Okay, Kirat.
Yes, Srishti.
Yeah, Kirat, just try to match the things where you think it is happening or where it is not happening.
Right. Okay.
Ah,
Right. The first one, yes, I can ski.
correct.
No, I can't fly aeroplane.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, I can ride bicycle.
Okay, ठीक है. और कुछ है that you can't do or we can't do anyone from us?
This question to me or to people around?
No, I'm asking this question to you.
Can you repeat the question, Srishti?
Yeah, I'm asking, is there anything else that we all can't do easily?
Oh yeah, we can, humans can't fly, and then yeah, so many things. It's a
Yes.
long list. So
Huh. So we cannot fly. All of us, we all are human beings. We cannot fly. We cannot go inside fire like this. Correct.
right.
And none of us can fly aeroplane. I'm sure हम में से कोई पायलट भी नहीं है, तो हम बोल सकते हैं अभी के लिए तो that we cannot fly an aeroplane.
Right.
Correct. Okay. So yes, of course, these are some of the simple things that are telling you whether we can do something or whether we cannot do something. This is how it goes. So Kirat, if you can fill up the blanks also, these are quite simple.
Yeah. Okay. I think I tried too much coffee today. I couldn't sleep.
Okay. I could not.
Yeah.
Correct.
Oh, we need to use can or can't only.
No, you can apply could, because
Okay.
this sentence is yes, you absolutely pointed it right, because this is a past tense sentence.
Right.
So I could not sleep. Correct.
Okay. Eat your vegetables. You won't get ice cream if you don't finish that broccoli.
अच्छा, get नहीं है unfortunately यहाँ पे
okay.
options में. Yeah. और
You
वो
can't. Yeah, you can't have ice cream.
have भी नहीं है. Eat है. Eat
you can't eat, right? Okay.
ठीक है. Next.
Invited me to this party, but I can't decide whether to go or not, right?
Correct, Kirat. Correct. Absolutely, you are correct. Okay, so we're just making some simple sentences for convenience. Yes, Drishti, complete these sentences.
We have to work late tonight so we can So we can join you at the restaurant.
Restaurant नहीं, restaurant.
Restaurant.
Correct. Next.
You can play computer games for 10 more minutes. Then it's a time for a bed.
Okay.
Arg. I can't find my house keys. What will I do now?
Correct. This arg is just an expression. ऐसा वाला गुस्से वाला, it is just an expression.
It is an interjection.
Yes. Correct, Drishti. Yes, Shraddha, finish कर दो इनको.
Yes, ma'am. No, you can't leave this house until you clean your room.
Okay.
Do you know that a Boeing 747 can fly at more than 900 kilometers per hour? I can call you. Can you call me? Can you please call your mother?
Very good. Very good, Shraddha. I know these are easy sentences, but sometimes we lack that presence of mind. अब क्या बोले type situations आ सकती हैं. So just to avoid that, I ask this. Okay, now I will start with the quiz. Test नहीं है, test लेके मत करना. Learning और enjoyment game की तरह करना. This will be an open quiz. All of us can discuss and then answer the question. Okay. And I'm sure you will enjoy this. Plus, you will learn something new out of this quiz. This will be very interesting.
Wow.
So open quiz, anybody can answer. Rather, we will discuss. You all can discuss and then you can answer. Yes, please read the first question and answer.
May I?
Head.
सब कोई भी बता दो.
Answer.
Leg,
Neck.
Leg.
leg, leg.
Leg.
किसी ने neck बोला था.
Leg.
नहीं, किसी ने neck बोला है. गर्दन ऐसे नीचे, पता नहीं. I can't even imagine. Okay, next.
Shoulder,
Shoulder.
चलो, neck नहीं बोला अब किसी ने. Good. Yeah.
Hands. Hands.
Friends तो feet भी मिला लेते हैं.
Neck. On your neck.
your neck.
Teeth. Eyes.
Tongue.
Two.
अच्छा, पक्का? गूगल मत करना, ठीक है? बहुत टफ क्वेश्चन है, गूगल मत करना. तो ये कुछ मिस प्रिंटिंग है इसमें. दिस इज 2.
Nose.
Two.
Arms.
Arms.
Everyone has 2 arms. Okay.
We only have one. Lips.
Chin.
Chin. Chin. Chin.
No.
Lip.
Lip. Feet.
Foot.
Feet.
हाँ वापस बहुत सारे आंसर्स आ गए.
Feet.
Feet. Feets नहीं होगा पक्का?
हाँ.
Good. Feet अपने आप में plural form है, so we'll not say feets. It's feet.
Glasses.
हाँ. Glasses as in spectacles.
Yes. Blonde. Blonde.
अच्छा, okay. It's auburn hair. Blonde as in थोड़ा सा brownish color में होगा.
Hand.
दोबारा सोचो.
Palm.
Palm. हाँ, palm. Palm.
This is palm. So someone can read my palm and tell me my future.
Beard. Beard.
Beard or mustache. Mustache can also be there.
Curly.
Last question.
Gray and bald.
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 Gray
Bald.
or bald. Gray or bald.
Bald नहीं bald. As in जिसके बाल नहीं होते. Correct. ठीक है.